Okay, so this is my app. Just give me a second. Please mind the VM, it's a bit slow. So I'm going to run my application now. So we have our homepage at the beginning, and it has our welcome to application, our getting started, and so on, so forth. Then we have our create index. I have created a few things like the John Doe, the guy's name, James Smith, Kvishin Pillay. He has his phone number, the hourly rate, and our actions. Then we go on to our manager page. We have Sammy, Kvishin, and I just created an example of this. So here we can edit, we can do the details. So you can display the details, of course. Then if you go back, we can edit it, and I can create. So let's just make an example. Let's say James, then an email will say james123@gmail.com. Then we have a phone number. Let's just say it's just a quick example of this, and the role will say, let's say the person's a manager, and then we just pick a random date. Then we create, and then we have James, email, phone number, role created at today's date, which is the 18th of October 2024. And yeah, and then if I need to display it, they displays it. If I click go back to list, I can delete, create, delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Then let's go to our coordinated page. So we have the Johnny, we have Trisha, we have, okay, Johnny was again, but the email, was the same. So I just created some stuff. Then if we just say, let's just add a name. Let's say, let's put James here again. So if we say James123@gmail.com, then we have a phone number. Let's just put a random phone number in there, that's a bit too long. Say 071. Yeah. Then we make a date. Let's just create, let's just say a normal date, like 30th or whatever. There, James is at the bottom. We can edit James's information. We can save it. So let's try editing James' information. We'll say James Cartel, just as an example. Let's put that in caps, James. Then we save. There's James Cartel. And then if we want to edit, let's just say edit Johnny. Let's say Johnny, I don't know, Johnny Null, just an example. There's Johnny Null. And if we want to delete, let's delete Johnny Null. We can delete. Are you sure we want to delete? Deleted it. And let's go to our claims page. Our claims page will have the information, the name, the hours worked, the total, the submission date, your approval, documents, whether it was verified by a coordinator, approved or not, and the last time it was updated. And then we have our claims page, which has the relevant things for the claims page. And I just made an example at Kumza Incorporated. And then my SQL database, just give me a second, it's a bit slow. And then this is all my code. And then under my programs, yes, I think it was, that's my link, my database link for the SQL. And that is the end of the video. Thank you.